Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at Codeforces Educational Round 144, Problem A. The name of the problem is Typical Interview Problem because it is actually a typical interview problem. It's derived from the FizzBuzz problem which is usually asked in interviews. Anyways, let's look at today's problem. We are given a string which is called an FB string, and the FB string is as follows. We are taking integers starting from 1 in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and if the integer is divisible by 3 we append f to the string, and if the integer is divisible by 5 we append b to the string, and if it is divisible by both 5 and 3 then we append fb and not bf. So what are we given? We are given the number of test cases and then an integer k, which is nothing but the length of the string will be given in the second line. Now we'll have to say whether the string given to us S is a substring of the main FB string, which is formed by these rules over here. So how are we going to do this? Let's look at the explanation. So we start by taking numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now as you can see, 3 is the first number which is divisible either by 3 or 5. So we append f to the string. We'll quickly note down the rest of the numbers as well. Yes, the reason we took the numbers from 1 to 15 is that the numbers 3 and 5 have their LCM as 15, and after 15 the sequence is just going to repeat. I'll explain. So first for 3 we have f, for 5 we'll have b, for 6 again we'll have f because it's divisible by 3. Then the next divisible number would be 9, which is again f, 10 would be b, 11, 12 would be f, 13, 14 and then 15 would be fb. So after this, say 16, 17, 18 and so on, this sequence will just be repeating since 15 is the LCM. So for 18 it will be f and so on. So what is the string that we have gotten? F, B, F, F, B, F, F, B, from here to here, right? So this is the string. Now this is our original FB string, which is this and continuing so on like this, but this is the repeating part. Now to check if another string S is a substring of this original string, the string S has to be smaller than FB, right? So here the length of FB is 8 and the length of the string S can be maximum 10. It is given in the question. The constraint is that k is less than or equal to 10. K here is less than or equal to 10, which means that this S string is less than or equal to 10. For a string of length 10 to be a substring of another string FB, FB also has to be at least 10, right? In other words, to find a smaller string in a bigger string, the length of the bigger string has to be at least equal to the length of the smaller string. Otherwise, how will we compare? So we need to place some more characters in this string, say F and B, which are the first two elements, again repeating over here, 1, 2 and so on. But will it suffice at 10? 8 plus 2, 10. Will this length suffice? What if our string starts from here? Then what will happen? We'll need up to here, right? Which is plus 1 and so on. So what is the minimum length of the string FB that we need? The minimum length of the string FB that we need is 8 plus 2 to fit at least once, and then after we have ensured that the string S fits at least once in our string FB, we'll have to check for different starting points other than here. We are assuming that the string will start from here, but what if the string starts at this B? Then will extend by 1, and this F will extend by 2 and so on. So how many times can it extend? So if the total length is 8, then it can only extend by 7, right? So what should be the length of FB string? It should be 8, which is the original minimum repeating part, plus 2, because our S is at least of length 10 and hence FB also has to be of at least length 10, plus 7. Why? Because we can extend the starting point by either 1 or 2 or 3 and so on up to 7 times. So the total length of the string FB would be 8 plus 2 plus 7 equal to 17. So what will be our string FB? It will be F, BFF, BFF, B, which is our original part, which is already of length 8, and then we need 9 more so that the total is 17. So we'll repeat this section again over here. F, BFF, BFF, B, and then we need one more, which is F. So if we make our FB string equal to this and perform an index of operation of the S string, then we should get the index of the substring. Now if this substring is not found, it will return -1, which means it's not found. Else we'll print yes. The code is very simple. I don't think there's anything to explain over here. Well, let's look at my submission. I've just taken the master string to be 17 characters long, and then if the index of the substring is -1, that means substring is not found, else it is found. That's it. Nothing else is there in this. So we'll just look at the accepted logo. Feels good. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I would have ended the video, but I thought I'll share this resource. The problem which we just solved is inspired from the FizzBuzz problem. It's usually asked in interviews, and there's a very nice explanation of this topic by Arnav Bhaiya. So you might want to check this video. Bad coders versus good coders versus great coders. A simple for loop can tell. It's a really nice video, really nice explanation. It's best if you check it out.